Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Andrew Luna, at Raw Lunatic. So I was having a problem with my sunroof. It wasn't closing, but it was opening. So what I did was undid the hooks right here. They just pop off, the front two and then the back two right here. What I did was unscrew these two screws right here and check out the panel. So the connection was actually bad in between here. The button wasn't connecting right, so the switch wasn't touching the button, which wasn't allowing it to close. So take these two screws off. You know, you want to play with it. I put some tape there so that way the connection was a little bit better and thicker, and it you know, it connects better and it touches it. So now when I turn the car on, it opens and closes properly. It was a $600 job that Toyota wanted to charge me. I did it for free myself with some help, and yeah, check it out. So it's open right now. The button properly closes it all the way. Boom, that connection solid. Remember, there's always a way to do it. If Toyota could do it, you could do it. Save yourself some money.